A farmer planted two groups of crops, one group with fertilizer and one group without fertilizer. After a month, the crops with fertilizer grew taller. In this experiment, what is considered the independent variable? Type of soil, height of crops, presence of fertilizer, or amount of water? What is this? Okay, I see a lot of letter C, the presence of fertilizer. Ang tumpak na choice po natin is letter C. Okay, so ito lamang po ang ating pakakatandaan para po siyang cause and effect. Okay, so yung cause po, that is your independent variable. Ang epekto naman po, in this case, the growth of the plant, that would be your dependent variable. Okay, so kapag ikaw po yung nag-experiment, no, yung minanipulate mo, yung change mo yung branch, change mo yung amount, change mo yung types, no? Yan po yung ating independent variable. Okay, so that's the cause. And of course, yung epekto po ng ating independent variable, that is going to be the dependent variable. Okay, so for this one right here, letter C, presence of fertilizer, ang ating hinahanap. No? So the height of crops, this is your dependent variable, di ba? Dahil ito po yung epekto ng ating independent variable. Type of soil, amount of water, these are our constants, di ba? Or control variables. Kasi dapat parehas po sila sa dalawa nating setup para masabi natin na valid yung ating experiment. Okay? So letter C is tumpak.